Before we start, you must first download Facebook Messenger, which is available for free on your smartphone or computer. Then visit the webpage I'm going to tell you today and copy your unique code, which you should then put into your Facebook Messenger. And with that, you'll be on your way to making some serious money. This is an entirely new and unique approach for generating fast money with no talents or investments required. With this method, people worldwide earn actual cash daily and can cash out their earnings within 24 hours. You must pay attention to all of the details I will tell you in this video if you want to be successful with this strategy. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you are notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Before we get back on track and start watching the video, you must first go to the website superpay.me to better understand this secret Facebook money earning strategy. You can make a substantial amount of money every day by using this brand new technique, which combines Facebook Messenger with the help of SuperPay. You must keep connecting to ensure that you are aware of every procedure stage. What I will be talking about today is their fantastic referral program. I suppose you could be wondering how this magic occurs. Nothing is required of you. All you need to do is copy and paste your unique referral link into various locations on the internet. And just like that, money will begin to pour down on you. It's not difficult at all, as many people would first believe. But first, before we get into the details, I'd want you to see a list of the individuals that are successfully generating money using this strategy daily. This list is updated every 10 minutes on superpay.me, so check back often. Thus, you can expect to see new people and new payments being given out to people all over the world as a result of this. Scroll down to the bottom and look at all of this payment. There are tens of thousands of people who consistently make real money on this site by employing the strategy described above. Nonetheless, please stick around as I'll walk you through the whole process of creating an entirely free account in the next few minutes, and I'll even provide you with lots of real-world examples of how to earn money online using social media platforms such as Facebook and Facebook Messenger. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to use the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go back to the video now. First, I want you to just click on the Join Free button on the SuperPay, which will redirect you to another page. Nothing is complicated here. The registration procedure is straightforward and it's completely free. And the only thing you have to do is type in your name, email address, username, and location to complete the process. They are welcoming almost everyone from virtually every country in the world. As a result, it makes no difference where you are. As long as you have access to the internet, you can sign up for a completely free account. Simply fill out the form below with all of the required information and click on the Create Account button. It's as simple as pie. We may now go to the next website that you will be using when you have completed the creation of your superpay.me account. Irazoo.com is the domain name for this website. With the help of this website, you may earn gift cards and some cash. Already, they've established a solid reputation of providing a large number of cash awards to all of its users. So here's how it works. You may register for free on this website, after which you can begin viewing movies and collecting points by clicking on the icon that says Get Started. And it will direct you to another page where you may sign up using your Facebook account or your email address as your login. So all you have to do is click on the button that says Refer a Friend, and there you will be posting this referral on Facebook and encouraging others to do the same. Later on, I'll lead you through the steps of the procedure. Please stick around, and I'll show you the scripts and templates that I use in my business. So please stick with me and don't let a single minute pass you by. The fourth step is to register yourself for Irazoo. If you go to this website and bring your friends to it, each time they join up using your link, they will get you 500 points, and you will receive a commission on the sale of those 500 points. You may earn a referral bonus of anything from 100 to 500 points by referring others. Throughout this video, I'll be covering all you need to know about the subject. For the time being, all I want you to do is log into your Facebook account, either through your phone or through your computer, and type the keywords "Make Money Online" into the Facebook search bar. Following the completion of your search, a bunch of results will appear. To proceed, just click on the Groups button, which you can find on the page. We will be able to filter out all of the Facebook groups dedicated to earning money online. To ensure that the groups join or post on our public groups, we must first filter the results to ensure that they are appropriate for inclusion. Now that the filter has completed its task, you are presented with a list of all of the groups that have been set to public, meaning that you do not need to seek admission to these groups. And that implies that after you've signed up, you'll be able to publish anything you want. According to what you can see on this page, there are several groups with hundreds, perhaps thousands of posts and members. And we may now participate in these groups without having to pay anything. Let's go ahead and click on it to get things started. And just like that, you're a member of the club. I'll give you an example. You can see that many users are posting links in this community. Additionally, many of them are referral links or referral codes, which are pretty similar to the ones that we wish to advertise. The problem is that there are a large number of individuals who have been doing this over and over again in various Facebook groups. Now, I want you to pay careful attention because what you're about to do is a very significant mistake. Why? This is because most group members merely spam referral links and referral codes across the groups. And these days, Facebook group administrators are efficient in their efforts to ban these individuals from the groups and expel them from the site. As you may have guessed, they've been going about this whole thing the incorrect way. Don't you think it seems rather odd when individuals spam links and codes like they're programming a robot? Now, to prevent this from occurring to you, I'm going to share this template with you at no cost. To explain the script that I use, and which you may also use, runs as follows. I've been quite disappointed in my hunt for methods to generate money online. It's been months now, but nothing has appeared to work, and I haven't been able to generate any income online throughout that period. As you can see, by starting with that, you've immediately piqued the interest of your readers. Having geniuses on your side is quite crucial since it allows others to trust you and connect to you in your quest for online money-making opportunities, which is critical. Therefore, when you say something like this, people will feel more comfortable with you and will be able to connect with you more easily. Thus, your thoughts and anything you have to say would be more readily accepted. So continue by stating something like this. Thank God that everything worked out for the best in my situation. The discovery of this fantastic approach of earning money online just a few days ago completely transformed my life. It's even absolutely free, and I will understand what it's like to suffer for months on end in search of solutions that work. So please feel free to leave a remark if you want assistance or advice, so that we can have a short discussion and I can send you a quick message with all of the facts. Please call or text me at the number above. So I can assure you that this script is entirely practical and that you will get a significant number of hits and referrals due to using this method. Copy the script and then return to the Facebook group, and all you have to do now is create a post on this group using this script. It's as simple as pasting it and hitting publish. You can repeat the method in many other Facebook groups, and you can put up numerous posts each day in dozens of different Facebook groups that you may join for free. Please keep in mind that this is just the first step, because after you publish content, there will be various individuals who will respond to your post and leave you to comment information informing you that they are interested in learning more about the strategy you are discussing. The next step is to add the individuals who commented on your article as friends on Facebook. As soon as you've added them to your Facebook friends list and they've accepted your friend request, you'll send them the 2 messages. This is only an example. You can change the information to be updated. Hello, and welcome to the site. You inquired about the finest money-making software a while back and asked for further details. As promised, here is a confidential link that you can use to join up for a free account right now. There's even a $5 bonus to be gained. Once you have signed up with this code, the code will now be used as a referral code, which you will get. In addition, the link is to the Razoo. The fact is that this is one of just a handful of websites where you may earn a commission simply by recommending other individuals to the platform. Consequently, every time someone signs up for iRazoo using your link and enters your referral code, you will earn money from the site. This money-making website may also provide you with an extra source of income if you choose to pursue that route. Your referral link to the SuperPay. Send these 2 messages to everyone who participates with your post on your Facebook groups, and you will be eligible to win the contest. Have a large number of free referrals. Choose the messages you want to share, copy them, and send them to everyone interested using Facebook Messenger. It's that simple. This is something that you may consider doing in the long run. So as long as you're cautious not to be banned or thrown out of Facebook groups, you can keep doing it, and the money will continue to pour in. That's all for today's video, and thanks for watching it. If you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.